I quite like this position. So we get the river bend, we get the tree. This is a lot like the way I used to do the video with all of the scenery around me. And you see the fog there. Hey, I'm just going to see what the picture looks like. Oh no, I'll be back. There is the remains of the camera tripod. Here's where locked in position. Oh, bird, look, it's that bird coming back. It's going to dive in the water. Look at that. Did you see it? Oh, we've got a birdie. Look, with its head sticking out. See its head sticking out? And it looks for the fish and it dives down and gets the fish. Watch as it goes across the water. It's in the sunlight. We're capturing wilderness in the wild. It is getting the early morning rays of the sun. Oh, there's another. There's two of them. There's two birds here because this is their tree. This is their breeding. They're called it feeding or breeding tree. No, it's a feeding tree. Oh, and here come the pelicans. Look. So they'll be going down the river. There's pelicans over there. See if I spin it around and get that early morning sun. Look at that. And then the image gets washed out. I can't believe I'm just... I didn't realise this position was so good for photography. I always thought, see, I'm 2 metres above the creek here. Yeah, I'll show you where the tree, there's all the excavation of the tree line there. And so when it floods here, this is about 4 metres underwater when it floods. And high tide goes to there, goes high tide up there. Hey, I'll pretend I'm underneath the ground. I like the Hobbit, you know, that picture of the Hobbits looking at the, hiding from the... Here, we just missed the birds in the water. Oh, I've got to remember not to point at the sun. Here, we'll go back to this position of the tree over here. Oh, when I get home I'm going to have scratches all over my legs.